In this bass fishing rod video, we take a look at the top 5 bass fishing rods of 2022. These rods are all incredibly well made and have been designed with anglers in mind. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced fisherman, one of these rods is sure to give you the results you're looking for. So don't wait any longer, watch the video now and get started on your next fishing adventure. At number 1 is Kastking Perigee 2 Fishing Rod. If you're looking for a bargain, then you should choose the Kastking Perigee 2 Fishing Rod. It's one of the cheapest bass fishing rods online, yet boasts such high quality that many customers say there is little difference between it and their $200 plus rods. The rod comes in a variety of models, so you can pick the one best suited to your fishing technique. Casting and spinning rods come in 6 feet 7 inches, 7 feet 1 inch and 7 feet 4 inches lengths, as well as 7-foot 2-piece casting and spinning rods that have 2 tips with different powers. These models combine a versatile medium light or medium heavy power rating with a fast action. In addition to the 24-ton carbon fiber blanks, other notable features include the Fuji O-ring line guides, the EVA grip, and the safety-minded hook keeper. A high-strength graphite reel seat was crafted for ergonomic function. At number 2 is UglyStik Elite Spinning Rod. A rod like the UglyStik Elite Spinning Rod is a worthy addition to any bass fisherman's arsenal. It is available in many lengths and power ratings, but the 6 feet 6 inches medium power model is particularly suitable for triggering explosive surface bites when using a topwater lure. For casting distance with 1/4 to 3/4 ounce lures, the rod can handle line weights of 8 to 17 pounds, and is designed to work with a spinning reel. 1 or 2 pieces are included with this fast action rod. In addition to its 35% more graphite than previous models, it has the signature clear tip design for excellent sensitivity and excellent lightness. A bonus is that you won't have to worry about your inserts popping out due to one-piece stainless steel guides. At number 3 is Entsport Camo Legend 2-piece baitcasting rod. Choose a rod like the Entsport Camo Legend 2-piece baitcasting rod if spinnerbaits are your lure of choice. It will give you the casting distance, leverage, and speed you need for this fishing technique. 2 interchangeable tips are included with this fast action rod that can be broken down into 2 pieces for maximum portability. A medium power spinnerbait produces a moderate amount of power and is designed for moderate cover, while a medium heavy spinnerbait can penetrate tough cover that spinnerbaits are often known for. Those looking to save money or packing space will also benefit from this 2-in-1 design. This rod is lightweight and strong since it is made from 24 tons of carbon fiber. In addition to cleverly spaced stainless steel guides, the reel's aluminum hood protects the reel seat from corrosion. You'll appreciate the high-density EVA handle, which improves control and keeps wrist and hand fatigue to a minimum after a long day on the water. The rod includes a protective bag and a warranty of 1 year. At number 4 is UglyStik GX2 Spinning Rod. This should be among your considerations when buying a strong bass fishing rod. It features a balanced and strong graphite and fiberglass construction. It is designed to be both strong and lightweight at the same time. However, as part of the construction, you will find that it has a 2-piece design. As a result, the construction uses fewer parts while at the same time keeping it strong. It should also result in a better fishing experience overall. It comes with a warranty of up to 7 years, which should be a further incentive for you to choose it now. People would want to buy such a model since they know it will last longer. This should be perfect for you if you enjoy taking your fishing trips more often. On the other hand, the grips are durable and lightweight. The goal is to make them as comfortable as possible so that you can easily use them even on long fishing trips. Having a comfortable fishing rod helps a lot when fishing is a game of patience. At number 5 is Kastking Royale Legend Fishing Rods. Carbon matrix cast flex technology is used to construct this model. As a fishing rod, carbon fiber has also become popular. Thus, you will get a powerful and strong fishing rod. Furthermore, the carbon fiber gives the fishing rod incredible sensitivity. You can expect high quality and consistent performance from these fishing rods since they are made with laser-focused manufacturing processes. This high-quality casting tool uses Fuji O-ring guides to ensure superior casting results. For distant casting, the best accuracy is essential. The impressive technology makes it possible for you to get all that out of this fishing rod. There is a limited lifetime warranty on the fishing rods. The idea is to prevent you from worrying about the quality and performance of the fishing rod. You can simply focus on fishing without worrying that the fishing rod might break anytime soon. It offers a smooth power transition from the user, according to users who have used it. In other words, you can expect the fishing rod to be easy to control. So that sums up today's video. We hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you are new here, hit that subscribe button. Until the next video, have a great day.